welcome back to our channel. This is Elaine, and HOLOWITS is rolling out the brand new E-Series HD camera lineup. So in this video, we're gonna take a look at what's inside the box and what kind of feature it gets. We got bullet and fixed dome models tailored for various scenarios, and the main difference is just the shape and the light compensation feature setting between these two models. And today, we're gonna take this bullet camera as an example. Let's open it up. And now that I got our bullet camera and some of the accessory within, screw back, qualification card, a hex wrench, and a sticker. Did anyone notice that something is missing? Yeah, right, there is no quick start guiding sight. Then how do we set it up without that one? Don't worry, let's figure it out later. Let's move on first. And here's our camera with the HOLOWITS logo on the sides. And what's more, it comes with the built-in bracket design, makes the installation much more easier. And its weatherproof IP67 rating makes it ideal for no matter indoor or outdoor scenarios. On the front of the camera, there is a 4MP lens capable of shooting 2K videos, and the f1.6 wide aperture allows more light intake comparing to the industry average of 2.0, help you to get a sharper and clearer footage with more visual detail than usual. Additionally, it is fitted with the 4 LED lights to ensure a vivid full-color image at the nighttime. And the dual light modes can bring an intelligent lighting, a 30-meter range of white light LED in the center, and smart IR LED on the sides, extending up to a 50-meter range. The camera has got a built-in microphone on the right side of the lens, allowing high-quality sound capturing within 5-meter range. At the bottom of the camera, there is a one-click restart button. You can easily restart it with just one click. Create much more convenient user experience. Loosen the screw beside the restart button, and you will find an SD card slot inside to accommodate an up to 255G SD card. And at the back of the camera, there is also a PoE port support, making it much easier to power up through the PoE. Have you guys still remember the doubt at the beginning? Why there is no quick start guide within the box? And let's see somehow. At the top of the camera, there is a QR code. Just grab a phone, scan the code, and then it will access to a product guide supporting multiple languages. We find this way much easier and eco-friendly. Going green is our thing, and HOLOWITS always think highly on the environmental sustainability. For more information about HOLOWITS E-Series camera, and welcome to visit HOLOWITS official website via the link attached below. And see you next time!